Good morning, everyone. Shazia Latif is here. Welcome to my new video. Today, we will solve remaining task of document production. But I would like to ask whether you got my first video or not. Kindly share your comments in the comment section. Let's go down and continue with task one, which is always based with the evidence. So you must create the evidence first. And I have shaded this area because we did it in the first video. Task two is document production. Uh, we are going to edit a report for Tavara Cruises. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles must be created, edited, and applied to the report as instructed. Open this file. Which is in a RTF format. Just go get it from your source file. Open this file. Next step is go and do it. Next step is page setup is set to A4 landscape orientation with the 2 decimal place. So 2 decimeter margin. Do not make any changing to these settings. So here is a file. So we have to check the page layout. Size is A4, yes. Orientation is a landscape, and margin is C margin set 2 centimeter from top to bottom and left to right. Yes, it is same. Next task is next step. Save the document to your work area in the format of the software you are using with the file name TC report. So save it, copy it, and save this document into the format we are using. This is the Word document. So save it here in your work area. So done this. Evidence one is based on the place your evidence document a screenshot to show that the file has been saved. Go here, check, save as to this area and file. Does this file? Yes, it has been saved. So go and create a screenshot. So check, find this area only. Then your evidence. This is the folder, your evidence folder. So this is how we arranged evidence through a snippet tool, but you must make it visible. So crop, which thing is not required. So here we are. Just my first evidence. Back. So open this again. Next, your next step. We done this. So next step is Place in the header automated page number left aligned, and in right aligned automated date field to display today's date in the format this. Okay, format and easiest step, insert. Insert header. This one, and here you need to page number. This one is not needed. And here we have to enter date through a quick part option. Select date. And today's date is 11 September. So do like this. It shows current date. So second step is, so next step is place in the footer your name, center number, candidate number, center align. Make sure that all the alignments and page margin to other text or placeholders are included in the header and footer areas. Header and footers are displayed on all page. So just to do like this, we have did this. There is now this time we have to create footer. So it's not required. Just rub it, not required. So here we are. Name is, my center number is, and my candidate number, my center number is PK23. Or you may write anything, like don't mention your exact center number. So 678, for example. So just save it and make sure it is appearing on every page. Yes, it is. And page number 2 and date. So we have done with this. So complete it. So evidence to take screenshot evidence of the date field code showing the format used, place in the screenshot in your evidence area. So here we have to show format of this date. Double click on this, right click, then sometimes examiner asks you show code of a date. So this is how we change a date into code. So create a screenshot by using again snippy tool. Just select this area only. Go to evidence document and place it here. So it has no need to be cropped. So this is all. Yes. Format and it cropped like this. This one is not required date. We needed only exact one code. So next step is, so did this. Here we are. Here's a quite new task we are asked to do. Create and store the following styles basing each on the default paragraph styles. Here examiner asks us to create some corporate house styles. This is called a corporate branding. It is used to have consistency of the presentation for any company. So that's why any company need to set their different style for a different work. Suppose for a logo, for the letterhead pad. So here, as an examiner has created a scenario for us, just a house style specification. TC subtitle, TC subhead, and TC body, and TC table. So we have to create a separate style for a separate different task. So just go and select it. First task is TC subtitle. So subtitle, first copy it. Copy this and create a new title. Paragraph and title is this, subtitle is, and Arial, as you know all, this font does not contain strokes. So Arial font size is 18. That is, here is a right alignment, right alignment, then underline enhancement, underline, single line spacing, file, format, paragraph, then single line spacing, no space before and after. Okay, so done with the TC subtitle. So again, next is TC subhead. Copy, Arial, font size 16, alignment center, bold and italic. So 6 point, space after 6 point, paragraph or new, subheading, normal, then is so here's a Arial 16 and enhancement is bold and italic. First go and check it again. Enhancement is bold and italic. Alignment is center, and formats a single line, paragraph, and 6 point high after each. Okay. Make sure before going sans serifs are Arial, then font size 16, center align, bold and italic. So okay. Go and italic and center, Arial, and format is 6 point high. Okay. So next style is TC body. Just go and copy. Go to new paragraph, new style, TC body, and based on this title, TC body. So specifications is a serif. Serif does contains strokes. So font size 10, justified, enhancement none, and view. There is no enhancement. So Time New Roman. So as wait, it was 10. Yes, it is 10. So it was justified alignment, justified enhancement, no enhancement. Alignment is justified, and no enhancement. So same single line paragraph, but 6 points high after every space. Okay, done. But make sure again it is a serif Time New Roman. Go check. So serif is a Time New Roman, font size 10. Then no enhancement. So alignment is justified. Good. Okay. So next is T table for P, and again one new style for a table, TC table. So normal, so TC table. Make sure again Arial, sorry, serif Time New Roman, font size 11, alignment center, enhancement italic. So no space before and after. So center and alignment italic. So no space before and after. So there is no space before and after. Okay. Once again, check it, serif, ascending time, font size 11. That was Time New Roman, size 11, enhancement italic, center, and no space before and after. Yes, no space before and after. And this italic 11 and New Roman. Okay. So done with this. So next step is take a screenshot to show that the style settings have been defined for TC subhead. Make sure TC subhead. So we have to create evidence for this. So go back to this and showing the paragraph setting. TC subhead, go back and modify. Then here is the setting, Arial, center. Make sure subhead Arial, then center, bold, italic, then 6 feet points before and after. So here is a Arial, 16, bold and italic, and 6 paragraph is 6 points up high after every. Okay, so we have to create a screenshot of this. This one. So evidence number 3. Or evidence number 3. Same thing, I want my evidence clear and visible. So if cropping needs to be done, do it like this. So it shows same 6 point high, and so done. Evidence number 3. So again, go back to step number, next step. The style name TC title has already been created, stored, and applied to the title text. Modify TC title style so only the following formatting is applied. So again, we need to modify TC title. So go modify TC title. make sure it asks TC title for this. Font is sans serif Arial again. Font size is 32, alignment center, bold and italic. So no space before and after. Line spacing, no space before and after. Go Arial 32. Sometimes does not appear, so do it manually. 32. So center align, so bold and italic. No underlines. No space before this, single line. A single line. Okay. So we are asked, next step is create a screenshot of this, modify TC title. The specification we have recently changed as the Arial center align. Yes, it is Arial center align. Then center align. Font size 32, bold and italic with a single line spacing. Center align, bold and italic with a single line spacing. So create one more screenshot, applying the same. So I guess again, no, it's not required. Just follow instructions first again. Take a screenshot of the style setting for TC title style to show that these have been changed. Place in your evidence document. Screenshot of the style. Yes. Font same. Go here. Modify style. It has been changed. Control C and you open it in this document. So evidence. Okay. This evidence 4. Control B. So style, it has been changed with this TC title. Do we need to crop it? Yes. And so next step is evidence 5. Place the screenshot in your evidence document. Display these custom styles name as list in the style manager. Organizers provide screenshots evidence of this list. So what we need to do here, go and create a screenshot again. This list, then 5. So evidence statistics, type your evaluation here. Now first we need to do, first go and start. Next step. So step number 6, below the title, add the subtitle produced by your name. Produced by Shazia. And apply the TC subtitle style to this text. select subtitle text to this text. Next step is apply the TC body style to the rest of the document. Go here, select all. Rest of the document, yes. Then step, we did this. This, and this. Okay. So change the page layout so that the subheading, overview, and all following text is displayed in the 3 columns of the equal width with the 1 centimeter space between the columns. So select from here, select it and divide them into 3 columns. Layout, columns, custom, 3, and is only 1 centimeters. So now your page layout, it has been changed, view of this page, and it has divided into 3 columns, showing the only 1 centimeter space between the columns, so columns gap. Plus, next step is, yes, did this, apply the bullets to the list of the items from where show exclusions to this. Go here, back. So bullets point to this home, then bullets. Next step is the bullets are aligned at the left margin, and this list in the single line spacing with the no space before or after each line. So the bullets are aligned to the left margin. So go here, back. Bullets are aligned to the left. So it's the left is the and no space before and after. Okay, just 2 like this. Next step is, so we have done, so this, identify 7 habits, identify the 7 subheadings in the documents and apply the TC subhead style to each one. One more point is this one, this, and overview. Then second is third, fourth, and fifth, sixth, and seventh. So apply the subheading to this. Go and check what examiner asked us. Subheading to this. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Apply subheading. So now the headings showing the same style which we have recently created. Now go and create a chart. Step number 12, using the data in the JW29 stats.csv, create a vertical bar chart to show the number of the cruises passengers for the year of 2014 to 2018 only. So we have to open this file. So I have already opened. This is a data where we need to show the comparison and the difference. And chart basically shows the difference between the different things. it shows the difference between different things. So go and create a chart as per the requirement of this statement or this step. We have opened this, label the chart with the following. We have to show title, we have to show axis values and display the values has been labeled to the top of the each bar. So here, then we need to format the value axis scale to display minimum, maximum values with the 2000 increments. So go here, this file, it's the same file. I got it from a source file. So insert, then chart, bar chart. First go that select values, insert, then chart. So we have to show here axis values and title. Select it, go and copy title from here. No, it's just go remove it. Title is the angle growth. Remove the first title here. Angle growth, then this one. Axis, the passenger, just go and drop it for, remove it. Let's go and remove it by delete key or by backspace. Copy the basic like this, passengers. Right here. So second step, now the next one we have to show labels. Select them and go and show labels here, data labels. We need to show years from 2014 till 2018. So just select this and right click, select data. So which is already have selected, add it, go at this range, select this range, okay. So it will show the years on each bar or each title. So then we have to select tables. So go here and format, show format axis. So here we have to show the minimum and maximum values. So minimum value 5,000 and maximum value is 13,000. And unit increment is 2,000. So when I click on this, it shows the same values, but I've been told or asked to do. So our minimum values of which the examiner wants us to display 5,000, maximum 13,000, and increment of the 2,000. So it shows the same difference. Look here. So what you need to do, just go copy this copy this chart, copy and go back to your actual document. And we are asked over the past 5 years. Go here and enter. This is how we can show a difference of our annual growth. Next step is, so we have done this, this, and this. So next 16, step number 16, insert the chart after the paragraph. Over the past years, we have already done it, this, and this. So import the image. Yes, we have shown it here. So next step is import the image J229 ships.png and place this image, the subheadings our fleet. Make sure to format the image as only 2.5 centimeter wide with the aspect ratio maintained. It is aligned to the left margin and the top of the paragraph shading. We currently operate the text wrap around the image. So wrapping is required. Make sure aspect ratio is maintained. Once I apply it, so just go and insert image where we are asked our fleet. I guess it was, we have to insert image before the subheading fleet. Yes. Go here before subheading fleet. So insert, then picture, then image, insert it, and here is the all, it shows the properties. Look, if I click on this, make sure in order to check the aspect ratios has been maintained. Both to do this, both boxes have their text on. So width is 2.5 cm wide only. Okay, and click, then wrapping, high or whatever. So just go and do it a middle, right on this. So this is how we now next step is in the resize to 2.5 centimeter. Yes, our image has been resized 2.5 centimeter. If I go and click on the format, looks 2.5 aspect ratio, it is maintained, and wrapping is this higher. So yes, done it. Next step is, so just go and click it. We currently operate the tax act and around the, we currently operate. Yes, we did it. Okay. So, no. So next step is save the document with the same file name and formats. Send it to step 1. Save this document the same, Control S, save it, and would always be in a header. Make sure that the today's date and not the date field code display in the header. Sorry, I forgot to check it. Go back to this, and here we are. No, the date. Yes, it is. There is no. I have already changed this. So next, printout of the printed screen. This topic is talking, make sure that your center number, candidate number on your document, that it is coming on every page of this document. Yes, it is. Name, center number. So next step is Evidence 19 Para Cruises is a planning to publish the annual report data on its company to evaluate. So the suitability of a wiki to share this type of data. Here you need to write some words, and the words limit is not more than 100. So in which I have all type your evaluation recommendations with the reasons into your evidence document using no word. Okay. So go and type here. I have prepared and made it ready. It is ready with me. So just copy. And simple is go and change it here. It's evidence this. Your evaluation is here. Save this document and I think that's all. Next is another module. Anyways, that's enough for today. It was a bit time taking. Anyways, before doing this, you must make sure the things are up to the requirements and whatever the examiner has demanded. Yes, it is. So here your document is ready. That's all enough for today. This video is a bit longer, but as you know that the duration of the papers is 2 hours and 30 minutes. So I'm planning to solve papers and teach the syllabus content side by side. Thank you. Goodbye.